Hello third graders, welcome to today's math class. In this lesson we're going to learn how to solve one-step word problems involving metric weights. So let's start with our first question. Here it says Charles goes to the market to buy fruits and vegetables. He weighs some string beans and some grapes. List the weights for both the string beans and grapes. So let's take a look at our scales. So when we look at the first scale, which is string beans, the pointer lies somewhere between 140 and 170. And then this is our half point, which is 465, but it's one less than 165. Then we know that it's 464. Now let's move on to the second scale. When we look at the scale, we know that it lies somewhere between 350 and 360. And the middle point is 355, and our pointer is right on 355. So that's how we read our scales. Let's move on to the next question. Use tape diagrams. So we have used this when we were talking about multiplication, but we're going to use it one more time to model the following problems. Kato and her brother Zero get weighed at the doctor's office. Kato weighs 35 kilograms and Zero weighs 43 kilograms. What is Kato and Zero's total weight? So for this one, I'm going to draw a tape diagram. And how many friends are there? We have two. One is Kato, and he weighs about 35 kilograms. And Zero, her brother is about 43 kilograms. And I'm wondering the total weight of those two. And then when we add 35 with 43, we get 78. And don't forget your units. And that's how we used the tape diagram to solve these questions. Second question, how much heavier is Zero than Keiko? So we know that 43 is bigger than 35, but by how much? So we're going to take our big number and subtract small number, and we get 8 kilograms. So Zero is 8 kilograms heavier than Keiko. That's how we do this question. Moving on to the next question. Ari estimates that his houseplant is as heavy as a 5 kilogram bowling ball. Draw a tape diagram to estimate the weight of 3 houseplants. So here is asking us, this question is asking us to use the tape diagram to solve the question. So let's see. So Ari has a house plant that is about 5 kilograms. Because when he weighed, he knew that it is about the same weight as 5 kilogram bowling ball. So here is one house plant, and this is the same as 5 kilogram bowling ball. Then we know that one single house plant is also 5 kilograms. And my question is, what if he has 3 houseplants? And what will be the total weight of all 3? So let's use the tape diagram for that. Here's my big rectangular box. And there are 3 houseplants, so I have divided into 3 sections. And each one is about 5 kilograms. And when I add these all, what is the total? You can either do 5 times 3 or 5 plus 5 plus 5. And the answer is 15 kilogram. That's how we found the answer. Next, Tae-hee and her 8 friends go apple picking. They share what they pick equally. The total weight of the apples they pick is shown to the right, which is 27 kilogram. About how many kilograms of apples will Tae-hee take home? So there are, including Tae-hee, there are 9 friends. So I'm going to draw my big rectangle and I'm going to divide this into 9 because we have 9 friends. And all together they picked 27 kilogram. And we need to divide 27 by 9 because there are 9 friends. And what is my answer? How many 9 can go into 27? There are different ways to solve this question. That is just manually put the number or the stick or apple inside this tape diagram. And we know that each one will get 3 kilograms of apple because 9 can go into 27 for 3 times. So each, oh no, it's actually asking Tae-hee. So Tae-hee will take 3 kilograms of apples. Next one. Tae-hee estimates that a pumpkin weighs about as much as her share of the apples. About how much do 7 pumpkins weigh altogether? So now it's asking that one pumpkin, there is one pumpkin. And this one pumpkin is the same as how much she got from her apple. So one pumpkin is the same as 3 kilograms. And there are 7 of them. So let's draw. So here's my tape diagram. And each one is about 3 kilograms. And she has 7 of them. So what is her total? So 3 times 7 is equal to 21. So in total, 7 pumpkins weigh about 21 kilograms. So for your activity today, I want you to pay a close attention to the questions and read it carefully because it is asking questions and you need to understand what is that the question is asking. So take a look at it carefully, and if the question is asking you to include tape diagram, please make sure to include it. And once you're done solving all the questions on Seesaw, these are the activities that you can try. Go into iExcel, try number 8, 15, and 19, and also check your answer from yesterday. And we have some fun activities for you to do, and you can just click on these 2 links. And if you have any question, please let us know. Then I will see you later. Bye now.